In this video, we'll explore how to use Slate's payment terminal functionality, a secure and efficient way to process payments directly within Slate. Slate's payment terminal devices uses point-to-point encryption, or P2PE, to ensure that payment data is encrypted immediately upon entry. This approach offers several key benefits. Raw cardholder data is never stored or transmitted in an unencrypted form, safeguarding sensitive information from potential threats. Decryption occurs off-network, preventing internal access to unencrypted data and enhancing overall security. Since unencrypted cardholder data doesn't traverse your network, it's not considered part of the cardholder data environment, or CDE, simplifying PCI DSS compliance requirements. Devices connect via the internet, allowing them to operate on the same network as Slate without compromising security. To get started, navigate to any form that has a payment widget on it. From there, click Collect Payment Details and then Connect Reader. On this page, we'll show you the instructions to pair your device to your Slate instance. First, power on your device. Ensure the terminal is powered on and functioning properly. Step 2, access your settings. Swipe from left to right on the device screen and tap the Settings button. Step 3, enter the admin PIN. Input the admin PIN of 07139. That PIN is going to be the same regardless of the device that you're using. Step 4, generate pairing code. Select Generate Pairing Code to obtain a unique code for pairing. Step 5, register in Slate. Enter the pairing code into Slate and assign a recognizable name to the device. Click Save to complete the registration. To process a payment using a Slate payment terminal, follow these steps. Step 1, initiate the payment collection. On any form with a payment widget, select Collect Payment Details. Number 2, select a device. A MOTO will appear displaying the previously connected devices and an option to add a new reader. Choose the appropriate device. Step 3, choose the payment method. Decide how you're going to capture the payment. You have two options. Card present. This is for in-person transactions. They can use tap, chip, insert, or swipe their credit card or other payment method. The other option is manual entry, or our MOTO payments. This is mail order, telephone order. This is where you're able to manually enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVC, and postal code. Step 4, capture the payment. When you're ready, select Capture. For card-present payments, the terminal will prompt the payer to complete the transaction using their physical card. For manual entry payments, simply enter the customer's credit card information as provided over the phone or via mail. Step 5, confirm the transaction. After processing, Slate receives a confirmation, updates the payment status, and removes the payment widget from the form. You'll see a confirmation right there on the form. When you're ready to actually process the payment, go ahead and submit the form. Let's now take a look at this from a manual entry perspective. This functionality is commonly used for a number of scenarios. This could include phonathons when you're processing payments during donor outreach and solicitation calls. You can also use this type of functionality for in-person transactions, such as your on-campus events. To order these payment terminals, you can reach out directly to us. To receive a personalized link to an order form, send an email to skelly, S-K-E-L-L-Y, @technolutions.com. When you're ordering the devices, you have two options. The S700 model, which is priced at $400, the BBPOS model, which is available for $300, and then there's a shipping and handling fee of $15 that applies to all orders. On the order form, you'll have several other options, including test credit cards and a dock for the S700. Slate's payment terminal functionality provides a secure and straightforward way to process payments in real time. By following these steps, you can ensure smooth transactions while maintaining PCI compliance. For more details, be sure to check out our documentation, ask us a question in the community forums, or join one of our community conversations. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.